Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're seeing this video. So this video is for my girlies, those that want to make money. Please come forward. This video I'm going to be showing you how to make at least 10 to $50, yes, using chamet app. Maybe a lot of you have seen this app, maybe some of you know this app, maybe you have not. You make call with foreign people, and as you're making the call, your money is reading. You don't need to stress yourself. No requirement of anything. You don't need to be under any agency at all, unlike Pink app, Popo app, or this app. You are an agent on your own. Just download the app, register, fill the function. Once you open it, you go to live. I'm going to do a screen record and show you how the interface, everything look like. You understand? It's very easy. If you can just give it your time, 1 hour, 2 hour, you make money, especially for the newcomers. All you need to do is just after going your live, you wait. Call will be coming in like water. Just click on receive. As then when you answer call, like 3 to 4, even 5, then the app will automatically ask you if you want them to receive the call for you automatically. Just click on yes. Once call enter, you just be talking to the person. You may even turn your face, remove your face from the camera, and the app have already received the call for you. You don't even need to press, and you won't even know. Do you understand? All you need to do is just answer the call. Once you're done with that one, just some seconds call. Depending if the person want to allow you to go, if the person will need a private call after the free call that they're giving men, the person recharge. If the person have enough diamond, people will still be talking. His diamond will be going and it will be entering in your own account. Do you get? So that's all with the app. And they also have a party, and for you to open a party you have to reach level 6. Yes, and it's not easy for you to reach level 6. I'm not gonna lie to you, but you don't even need those ones. But you can as well go to other people's party, but those people there are white, so they don't really like we black. I have to tell you the truth. Yes, if you go to their panel, sometimes they will kick you. They will just speak their language. Some of them are Philippines, Arabic people, Indian. They will remove you. But if you are lucky, you go to a party, good. If you allow you to sit, when they throw gift, one gift, some might throw one gift like this, it will be $10, $20. There's one gift of $100, $200, yes, on that app, and it's a big money. So but for now, just focus on going live. You go live. Their time start by 5 p.m. our time. That is a new day. Yes, once it's 5, you can go live at any time. Even right now, if I want to go live, I will just click on live and my live will start reading. Do you understand? And I'll wait for call. Call will be coming definitely. But you see, if you're a newcomer, you will run away from calls. Let me tell you, you'll be the one to run away from calls, because call will be coming. You say will tire, but don't run away from calls. Those calls are money, I'm telling you. So at least this one will be a top up to your income as a girl. If you are less busy, if you have once you are back from work, you are done doing whatever you are doing in the evening, as if you don't have time or chance towards morning, afternoon, you understand, you can go there, go live towards evening 5 or more. Do you understand? They did a very powerful upgrade, I think last month, which really affected most of the people working in the app, because especially me, I felt so bad. Like before you can withdraw direct to your local bank account, I use my UBE to withdraw. But we just woke up one morning and we checked the withdrawal method. I wanted to withdraw my small money there. I see that they have changed it. Like they just removed the naira automatically, the naira account. You cannot use Nigerian account to withdraw anymore, and this was so painful. So what they fixed there was ePay. So nevertheless, if you still have ePay, you can download ePay from your Play Store. verify your EP account is very easy. Then you copy the email that you use in opening that EP. There is a place they will ask you to put it on this app. You will put it. Once you have reached up to $10 on this app, you can withdraw. But in that EP, when you send your $10 to EP, you can't withdraw it. It must be up to $20. So then you have to leave your money to be up to $20 on this app before you can now move it to EP. Then from EP, you will now put your Nigerian account. You will now withdraw it. I prefer that Nigerian listing, no stress. I'll just click on withdraw. Put your 6 digits for withdrawal pin. You put it, and in the next maybe 3 minutes or 5, you just see your money in your local bank account. So it's very easy, and I pray you like. If you don't have EP, if you know you don't have EP, or you don't know how to verify your EP, worry no more. Just comment I am interested. First of all, if you are interested on this, you need the link to this app. Comment I am interested. I will send you my number, okay, my WhatsApp number. Then I will send you the link to the app. Okay, you have downloaded the app already from your Play Store, you don't know how to go about it, come and comment under this video. Let me send you my number and guide you, okay, so that you start going live, making your money. Or if you need EP wallet, still chat me. I will give you an EP so that when you withdraw your money, they will send it to you. Okay, there's nothing like scam here. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Let me walk you through. 10,000 bean is equal to $1. So let me go to this girl's life and see what she is doing. Anambra on it.
$10. So now withdraw send me send the friend him. Why the more than 10? And I go quite good. Him and it's another thing. Let me say from next man. That's not friend him now withdraw. So for instance, I need to transfer the
So this one is people's panel. I just entered their live, to show you. So this place now, you see this place? Random charts. When you click on it, let me open it. I'm inside room and my room is dark, okay? But when you click on start match, call will be coming in automatically.
So I didn't really know what happened. I lost the screen record that I did, the voice of the screen record. So let me just do this voiceover. When you click on go live, this is where it will bring you. You see, I just received a call, but I cut out that place. I have 530 beans. So like I told you before, 10,000 beans is equal to $1. Yes, I've been on this app for more than 2 years now. Yes. So I bought a new phone, so I changed, I downloaded the application again, reset some things. So I tried to check all my withdrawal, history, so that I can show you guys, but it's not there. So what I was trying to say here is that when you click on that line with friends, okay, when you click on it, you will see that your friends, those that are online, those that you have followed and they have followed you, when you click on send request, they will accept, and if people will be talking to each other, they will talk to you and you talk to them, and you will see them as well. They will also see you. So someone just logged in, but I logged out. This is where I'm talking about. If you also want to do PK, random PK, click on random PK.
So click on this place.
So I
So
wanted
you
to show you
see,
guys my withdrawal
this diamond
history,
can be
all the
used
withdrawal.
for exchange. Do you get? If I invite any of my friends now, if the person has up to 1,000 diamond, just as I have 1,000 diamond now, she will send it to me as a gift, and as well send it to her back the same 1,000, equivalent to what she sent to me. So let me click on this my beans. Let me see how much I have there. how much I've made so far, because all this while I've been busy, I'm not really active. So this is what I have $2. Can you see that? Yeah, that is what I have. So that is all for
Because
the
I've
app.
been
Okay,
busy.
the
Yeah,
app
that
is
is.
nice, and the payment method is you can withdraw at any time, at any given time, either midnight or in the morning.